Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve taskbar auto hide not working over full screen programs in Windows. So this issue can occur due to several factors like notifications from applications running in the background as they prompt the taskbar to reappear, software conflicts or outdated system components, misconfigured taskbar settings, and minor glitches. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to re-enable auto hide via settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong Windows settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung personalization. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side ay scroll down. And then iselect lang natin dito yung taskbar. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down ulit at iselect natin dito yung taskbar behavior. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa taskbar behaviors, so kailangan natin itong i-turn off yung automatically hide the taskbar. So uncheck mo lang yung box. And in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to restart the Windows Explorer. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right-click on the Windows taskbar. So, dito lang sa blank space area ng ating taskbar, so kailangan mo lang mag-right-click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus Escape para ma-open itong Task Manager, and then i-click mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na itong Task Manager, so dito lang sa Processes tab ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or hanapin mo dito yung Windows Explorer. Or dito naman sa gitna makikita mo dito yung searching address bar. So dito sa searching address bar ay type mo lang dito yung Windows Explorer. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad dito. And then ang gagawin natin dito ay select and right click. And i-click mo lang dito yung restart. So click mo lang yan and wait natin. So once na restart mo na siya, and then the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to change the performance options. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. So dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Okay? So kailangan mo lang i-click yan and tap mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong performance option settings, ang next step, so under dito lang sa visual effects, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung adjust for best performance. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright. And after dito, at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix taskbar auto hide not working over full screen programs in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.